Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add sticker on Capcut in your PC or laptop. First I'm going on Capcut software on my PC, then I import a video from here. You can see the example purpose, this is my video. So just drag and drop. Then now click on this menu sticker. I again repeat sticker. Then you can see here the lots of sticker. I want to add a love sticker from here. Wow, you can see if you want to add a specific clip, just keep it a second, keep here. But if you want to add the full screen at the beginning and the end, just keep here, mouse hover, then just now just small it here, and it's a big small. If I playing this one, you can see this is already working a good way. So this is the method you can add sticker on your Capcut software on PC. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.